Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You own slap battles and the necessary upgrades. This saves time. Next, join a populated server or a coordinated private lobby so spawn timing and targets are reliable. Equip a high-damage slap and a mobility augment because speed matters when reaching the Moai. Once done, practice 1 or 2 trial slaps on NPCs to test range and rhythm. This prevents wasted attempts and keeps your team in sync. You now focus on timing and positioning. Locate the Moai spawn zone and watch the timer. Knowing exact spawn windows reduces contested fights. Communicate. Have teammates bait or stun opponents to create a clear approach. This lowers risk and increases success probability. Use your mobility augment to flank and land the opening slap from a favorable angle. A follow-up hit secures the kill. Make sure to conserve your best cooldown for the decisive moment, because you finish by executing a concise sequence. Have one teammate bait, you open with a precise slap, then immediately follow up to secure the Moai before healing occurs. After capture, disperse to avoid counterattacks and deny steals. If things go wrong, reset rather than forcing attempts, wait for a new spawn and preserve cooldowns. Troubleshoot by checking your ping, switching servers, or altering loadout. These adjustments fix common issues, such as missed timing or inability to reach the Moai reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.